Okay, Max, can you give us a brief introduction of our company?
Yes, of course. Actually, our company is a professional manufacturer company of diesel generator and the gas generator, and we have a big power range is all about 10 kilowatt to 5,000 kilowatt, and we have many alternators such as here I can see Stamford Marathon and Lorry Somer also, and Inga and MCCLC. So we have many alternators and a huge power range.
Okay, huge power range
Yeah,
and
huge
so many
power.
brands, right?
Yeah, so many brands.
Now, can customers customize the brand they want?
Yeah, you asked me a very good question. I would like to answer this question. Yes, customers can customize what they wanted.
Yes. And which countries do we sell to?
Actually, our products are delivered in Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Asia, and other countries.
Okay, what products are you going to introduce to us today?
Today we're going to introduce Cummins actually. Cummins and some Chinese brand, China Yuchai and Volvo Perkins. So we have a very short, limited time. So we are trying to show you many things like testing and assembly, such kind of things.
Yes, so many brands of engines, right? And
Yes.
all of these engines, which brands of them are in stock?
Actually, stock. Okay, you are talking about which brand are in stock. Actually, we have Cummins, Yuchai, and SDEC engine in our stock.
Okay, and this sorry.
Okay.
That's then we talked about the engine. And what about the alternator?
Okay, the alternators, and we have Stamford, Marathon, Lorry Somer, Enga, MCCLC. They are all are brushless, self-excited, and copper. So
Okay,
we have many alternators.
Okay, thank you. They are all brushes, self-excited and copper, right?
Yes, you are.
Yeah. Let me ask an important question.
Okay.
How long is your delivery time?
Okay. That is the most important question from the customers, and customer really very care about this question. Let me give you the answer. Actually, our 380 volt and 50 hertz generator sets are in the stock under our own brand, and if customers want to customize like 50 hertz and special voltage needed to be customized, then usually it will take 7 days. If the branded generator are installed such as Stamford, Marathon, Lorry Somer, MCCL, it takes 50 days.
Okay, they are all water-cooled generators, right?
Yes, they are all water-cooled.
The first way is choose which product.
Okay, I asked you a question. Which product you want to use to us right now?
I think maybe this one. This is the nearest to us. This is the silent box.
Okay, this is the nearest. That's why we start with this silent box. Yeah.
Yeah, silent box.
Okay. Actually, this is a silent box. Okay, let me open it. We install the generator set in the closed silent box, which equipment with the sound absorbing cotton based on oil tank, rainproof and dustproof. You know it's the rainproof and dustproof.
Yes, of course.
And look at the cotton. Look at the black cotton. Yeah. Look at it. You see, which can cook it with the sound absorbing.
Yes,
cotton.
This is special cotton.
Yeah, it's special cotton.
And here, that's the camera. This is the control panel. The brown is
yeah, this is the it's the electronic. Yeah, there is the manual actually, auto manual. This is the manual actually. And here is the emergency key. If anything wrong happening here, and here is the turn on and off. Actually,
on and off.
On, off. It's too easy. You see how easy it is. Off. this is off on, and here is the key another on.
It can operate easily.
Yeah, it can operate easily. Anyone can operate it.
Yeah. And here is China change.
How to off it? Yeah. This is the total power off right now, yeah? The whole engine turn off. 1000 ampere, 380 volts. The huge volt.
Look at here. I open the door.
Okay.
The silent box brown. Brown?
The brand is coming.
Yeah, Indian brown.
Yeah, Indian brand is coming. It's
Yeah.
a very famous brand all over the world.
Yes.
Everyone knows that this is Cummins brand.
Yes, and here is the water-cooled reagent.
Yeah. Actually, the structural material of the box is anti-corrosion, cold rolled and steel plate, and the surface of the box is sprayed with the plastic. Actually, is a guide of hold installation from in front of the box, so the sound cannot come outside.
Yeah?
Yeah, here.
Yeah. You set the lifting hose?
No, I'm just saying about this the box, silent box.
The silent box. You
Yeah.
can choose here. There are two.
Yeah, 2 maintenance-free battery. Look at the battery. There is 2 maintenance-free battery. You don't need to maintain it. No need to take water or blah blah blah. The other battery needed.
Yeah.
But this is totally maintenance-free battery.
No need to add water.
Yeah, no need to add water.
And
This is the hub line where to the pin house. Yeah. I think. What is that one? The base, the basement. Yeah, the basement, and the basement have
fuel tank.
yeah, the base fuel tank, and we have an absorber. But it's little far. Yeah. Here we can see the absorber. Am I right?
Absorb. Well.
And this
Yes,
is
absorb.
this is the
Light. Here is the light.
here is the light. Oh, this is the light. Yeah.
Yes.
The audience and the follower can see the light. And this is 6 cylinders. Yeah, am I right? This is the
Yeah.
6
We can see some more details. This is charger.
No, this is the charger. Yeah.
And where is the start
Starter.
model?
Yeah, this is the starter.
Oh.
This is the starter motor.
Yeah.
This is the fuel pump. Fuel filter actually. That is the filter. Yeah. Okay, let's go to another side.
Air inlet. Air inlet.
Yeah, this is the air inlet. Okay, let's close the door. Actually, we came here again in the working time, so there are a lot of noise out there. Yeah,
Yeah.
so noisy.
The noise. What they are doing? Testing. They are testing.
The testing noise. Okay, so
Let's go around.
now we have a look at the generator testing system. Yeah.
Yeah. Here are our generators at the testing system. Yes.
Okay, is it a testing room?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, I know that testing generator is very important stuff for any generator. Sorry audience, actually there is so much noise, yeah? can see, the testing room has a lot of sound. Yeah, too much noisy. So hard to introduce how to test, but yeah, but we can say how we test the generator. Can you please you can ask me questions. I will answer.
Okay. When our equipment is well produced, we will come here test.
Yeah, that's great actually. That will guarantee the quality of the product.
Yes, we will print out a test report and send it to the customer. Do you know what the generator says factory inspection?
Yes, I know. Measure the three-phase voltage, current, and power. Yeah, they're all.
They are all important steps.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, really waiting.
Yes, they are waiting.
That one.
Yeah.
That one. Okay, the noise has stopped. Okay, this generator is waiting to the test it.
This is CGT electrical cabin.
This is the electrical cabin. Okay.
ABB. This is ABB switch.
Okay, look how he works.
You can see?
Yeah, I can see. Yeah, it's SEC Max 2, the production line, and here is the part of. Okay.
Also a famous line.
Yeah. Okay, have a look. To waiting for the testing generator. This is a parking. Am I right?
No. This is Cummins. Cummins. Yeah.
This is Cummins. Yeah, have a look. This is Cummins generator. And the view is waiting for testing.
Yes.
What about this one? Is that already tested or on process? Okay.
And here is the oil inlet type.
Yeah.
Oil inlet type.
So this is our testing, right?
Yeah.
So do you think this is the oil part generator test, right? Okay. Yeah. So now where we operate the testing system? Now we're in. This is our operating room, and viewers can see it. This is our operating room. Okay, actually, for the audience, for the viewers, I will show it again. Actually, it's very important. Major three phases. One is voltage, the second one is current, and the third one is power.
Yes, three volt, current, and the power, right?
Yeah.
And also have power factor, frequency,
and operation time.
operation
Those are
time.
very important. And right now we are in the operation room where the Everything report can be analyzed here. Okay. Those are already tested generators. Have a look at those.
I think maybe these things are also being tested.
Waiting for the testing.
Waiting for
Yeah,
the
waiting for.
yeah.
Those are waiting for. Okay, so now this part is.
Look at this big power generator. This is China Yuchai brand.
China Yuchai. Look at that. That is huge. That is gigantic. It's a big generator. Yeah.
Yeah.
How many cylinders are there? Maybe 12. More than 12. Yes, 12. Look at.
12 cylinders.
Yeah, 12 cylinders.
And our workers are.
Yeah, the workers are working so hard. Actually, they don't even care. We are making video.
China Yuchai using another alternator.
Yeah.
We have a look at the alternator.
Have a look at it.
No. This is brushing.
Yeah.
Brush is still excited and copper.
Yeah, this is
This is
absorber.
Shock absorber.
Absorber.
Next.
Okay, next part. This is another one. Yeah, this is a marathon.
Marathon.
Yeah, marathon electronics. Yeah. Look at the marathon. The model is MX6404 and the serial number is 536425200023. It's 50 hard and power range. Look at the power range as well. Yeah, huge 640. This is the marathon alternator, yeah?
Yeah. What's the feature?
Where is the water heater? That one?
That one?
Yes, that is a water heater.
What's the feature? Starting motor?
And this is a very well-known brand, huh?
Two starting motor.
Can we go to the diesel generator side? Go to the audience? No.
Yes, we will talk to gas
Okay, gas, not diesel.
That's right.
Okay. Have a look. This one.
One, two,
Okay.
Here are headings, electrical headings, very tall. Now we go to see the next gas generator.
Please stay with us, follow us, and if you have any questions, please comment below. Okay, here we can see the monitor, yeah, the control panel. We have emergency button and deep sea electronic monitor, deep sea grounded.
I can see several keys.
Yes, several keys, and we have here low oil warning, high oil pressure warning.
Silent box air inlet.
Yeah, this is the air inlet.
We can see what's the gas engine.
Okay, open.
China Yuchai Yuchai brand?
Yeah, this is the Chinese Yuchai brand, and let's have a look at the pressure sensor. Here is also a pressure sensor and GMP